Good. It's still in there.
Thank you very much, Mr. Bond. Mr. Trigg will be pleased.
Well, I could use some coffee.
Ah, odd function. Did you get the logarithms?
Yes, I did, Mr. Trigg.
Excellent. Bring them to me.
As you wish.
Now, if I only know how to use them. Miscalculation. Send in someone who knows trig. Can we take these in order? Oh, odd function. I didn't know you knew trig.
Well, yes, as a matter of fact, I studied under the great Miss Petit.
Oh, I hear she's quite good at math.
The best.
Well then, perhaps you could show me how to do these logarithm equations so that I may build my bomb and take over the world.
Why, yes. As you can see, log base 3 of 9 is equal to x.
Indeed.
A logarithm is merely a way of rewriting an exponential equation, thus that the base to the variable is equal to that number, right
So,
there.
in this case, x would be 2, correct?
Correct.
Ah, I understand.
You catch on quickly, Mr.
Indeed.
Trigg.
Perhaps we should move on to something a little more
Challenges.
advanced. What is this?
Log base e is the natural log. You press ln on your calculator.
Darling.
Yes, what are some of the uses of the natural logarithm?
The natural logarithm is a way of rewriting, again, exponential equations.
Yes.
But e is useful in population growth, half-life, and many other applications.
Indeed. Quite interesting. Now, perhaps you could enlighten me on this little ditty.
This ditty is merely a way of rewriting it so that the variable can be raised to a power. You merely take the power of the variable and place it in front of the logarithm.
So the power of the variable inside the logarithm becomes the coefficient of the whole thing.
Correct.
I see. Now, this one, I believe, is quite challenging.
The mother of all logarithms.
What does it do? Odd
It's
function.
merely a way of rewriting this and splitting it up into x and y. Log base b can be split up into two logarithms of the same base added together.
So, if you have two factors in the variable part of the logarithm, each factor can be broken up into a different logarithm of base b.
Correct.
Thank you very much. Now nobody can stop me.
There's no stopping Mr. Trigg now. Unless... Good morning, Mr. Bond. We have a mission for you.
Morning, Heath.
Mr. Trigg has kidnapped a bunch of logarithms and is planning to use them to build a bomb to destroy the world.
Yes, I remember that.
Yes. So, in order to defeat him... Oh, grow up, 007, come here. You must know this by heart. This is the change of base formula. So you have to know this.
Fascinating.
That's for you to memorize. Take that with you and memorize it.
I think I will.
Okay. Now, I've also equipped this normal-looking calculator to do math.
Really?
Yes, it has the change of base
Amazing.
formula on it, in case for some reason you lose that, which I'm sure you will. It also has the self-destruct button if you press this.
What was that?
This. It
I'll
says
be
self.
needing that later.
It says self-destruct.
No doubt.
All right.
Thank you.
And also, these are some markers. Then also,
Can't have enough markers.
if you write bomb, it blows up.
Really
Mm-hmm.
remarkable.
Yeah. And if you read these here,
What does this do?
that's my lunch, 007. Read these, go after Mr. Trigg and save the world.
Alright.
James, how about we go out tonight?
No!
You're being followed.
No good.
Now we'll take him to Mr. Trigg. Mr. Trigg will be pleased.
Hello, Mr. Bond.
What are you trying to do, Mr. Trigg?
I can't tell you.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
Do you expect me to talk?
No, Mr. Bond. I expect you to learn Trig.
What are we doing here?
Today, you're going to learn identities.
What kind of identities?
Trigonometric identities. Now, for the first one, you take the sine squared and the cosine squared and turn them into this. Which, when you simplify it, the ones cancel out, and it becomes negative cosine squared x minus sine squared x, which is exactly what I was trying to prove.
Say, what kind of identity did you use?
A Pythagorean identity. Sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals 1. For this one, it is very, very simple, along the same lines actually. All you have to do is realize that tangent is sine x over cosine x. When you do that, these cosines cancel out. And then when you multiply these sines, you get 1 minus sine squared x, which can then, using the same identity as in the first one, be turned into cosine squared x. And again, I have proven the identity. Now, when you take this, and you turn the tangent into sine over cosine, and this into 1 over cosine, the cosines cancel out, giving you sine over 0, which you then multiply by 0 to get 0.
Wait a minute. That's illegal math.
What happened to Mr. Trigg?
Well, he ran away because I'm just better in math than he is.
Yeah, I guess I'll have to work for you now.
Alright.
What do you want me to do?
Well, for starters, you could, free me, maybe?
Yeah.
Thank you. Now let's go defuse that bomb. Oh. Wait. All right. How am I going to defuse this bomb?
Well, maybe I can help you.
Who said that?
The bomb.
Oh, hello. How am I going to defuse you?
I'm going to ask you some simple questions.
All right. Let's go.
Answer this for me. What is the log base 4 of 2?
Log is 4 2. 1/2?
Correct. What's the natural log of e squared?
Log base e 2.
Correct. You may have defused me, but I will blow up in 5 minutes.
Wait, it's not fair.
Stupid bomb.
Oh.
Four legs in the morning, 2 in the afternoon, and 3 at night. Is it a bear?
No.
He's dead.
Care to get fast? Solve
Yes.
this equation.
Oh, this is crazy. 2 equals 1. Never seen anything like it. So multiplying both sides by a.
Wait, stop.
A equals b. Multiply both sides by a. A squared equals ab, right?
Makes sense to me.
Looks good so far. Subtracting b squared from both sides. I suppose you can do that
It's legal math.
if you want to. Sure.
Factoring.
Factoring.
Not too
Dividing both sides by a minus b.
Sure.
That looks good. Looks good. I mean, I don't know why they would want to do that, but if they want to. So those cancel out. A plus b equals b. A equals b equals 1. Therefore, 2 equals 1. Well, that looks pretty good to me. I don't know. I've got it. If a equals b, you can't divide by a minus b because it's 0. You can't divide by 0. Now let's get out of here. We did it. We defused the bomb.
And escaped from the
We
Smiths.
escaped. We're alive. Oh man, we are no good.
Bro.